Today, let's learn how to see the time spent on Facebook. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you can go ahead and see your time spent here on Facebook. So let's just go ahead and get right in. So you're going to want to go ahead and at the bottom of your Facebook app, just go ahead and click the menu icon. There should be a menu icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, once you're actually here, make your way down to the settings and privacy, and then go ahead and click settings. Now, go ahead and make your way down to preferences, and there should be a few options here as well. Now, the second to last one here on the preferences section should say your time on Facebook. Now, just go ahead and click on that. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to see that it shows you, the see your time option, the manage your time option, and then get more from your time option and much more. So the very first option is what you're going to want to go ahead and click. And you guys can see that right here, we can actually see the time spent on our Facebook account. So essentially, that's how you go ahead and take a look at your time spent on Facebook. It is super easy. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.